Short and long E sound. Today we will learn the short and long sounds of vowel E. What is the short sound of E? It is A. A. Like E, G, G. Egg. E sounds A. G sounds G. E, G, G. Egg. Okay. Next. P, E, N. P sounds P. E sounds A. N sounds N. P, A, N. Pen. P, E, N. Pen. Okay. What is the short sound of E is A. A. Now coming to the long sound. What is the long sound of E means it is the name of the vowel itself. It is E. Name of the vowel E. Long sound of the vowel E is E. Okay. Already we have seen in the short and long sounds of the vowel A that long sound is coming whenever it is accompanied by another vowel, right? Okay. So now let us see what are the combinations in which E is pronounced as long E. Okay. So first combination is E combination. E sounds E. Okay. Like FEED, feed. TREE, tree. Okay. Next is EA combination. Like READ, read. LEAF, leaf. Next is EI combination. Like CEILING, ceiling. Okay. CEILING, ceiling. Next is IE combination. IE combination like PIECE, peace. Okay. CHIEF, chief. Okay. Next is E consonant E combination like in THEME, theme. Okay. See, we are getting a consonant between E and E. Okay. THEME, theme. Okay. Next is EY combination. EY like in KEY, key. KEY, key. Understood? What are the combination in which E is pronounced as a long E? Okay. They are EE combination, EA combination, EI combination, IE combination, E consonant E combination and EY combination. In all these cases, E is pronounced as long E.